First of all, thanks for watching my channel. Subscribe if you'd like, and let's talk about LiveGood, okay? I saw this headline about an hour ago, and it said, "Make money losing." And I'm going, oh God, I can't wait to see what this article's about. Make money losing. I'm thinking gambling, Vegas, some guru wrote some, 10-page thing, and you can buy it for 10 or 20 bucks, ClickBank, or I don't know. But I thought that is a good headline, make money losing. And then I was kind of going over it and stuff, and it was basically advice on things that you need to lose in order to kind of win or be successful or make money. And most of the advice, it was true. And I thought, I'm going to make my own video about it. But I do have to do a high five. The title, "Make Money Losing." That was pretty good. That was hard not to go ahead and want to read whatever. Okay, so make money losing what? Losing lazy jeans. And that is true. If you put on lazy jeans all the time, they fit good. They're snug. They're comfy. They're probably 20 years old. And you just put on your lazy jeans and all of a sudden it's like, well, I'm going to go cook me something. I'm not really hungry, but I'm just going to cook because that takes an hour and it's kind of fun. And oh gosh, oh Netflix, oh crap, that new series is out now. Oh, great. Now I got to binge watch it. There's 15 episodes. They're an hour each. And all right, there goes 15 hours. So you got to lose that Netflix addiction. You got to get rid of those lazy jeans. And we've all had them. I probably got 5 pair, although I'm a shorts guy. Can we call this video lazy shorts instead of lazy jeans? Because I'm a shorts and tank top guy, or I like to cut my sleeves off. Makes me feel sexy, I guess. So anyway, make money losing, that phrase, I can't do it. I can't do this. I mean, LiveGood, it sounds good on paper. It looks good on video, but at the end of the day, I can even afford the 40 bucks to be an affiliate, but I can't do it. I'm too old. The kids. It's a kid's world now when it comes to computers. And I'm like, no, it's not. All right, that's a good excuse. The best part now about computers in 2023 is they're easier than ever to build with, to navigate. And plus with AI technology or support, and gosh, if you're watching YouTube right now, my gosh, if you don't know what you're doing, you could probably just search for the term that you need, and there's probably 400 videos about it on how to fix or solve that problem that you have. So don't say I can't do it. You got to lose it. You got to lose it to make money, and you know it. It's just an excuse. Same with wait until tomorrow. I'm a little busy. I got to wrap presents. I know that it's only July, but I got to wrap some Christmas presents, and I'll do it tomorrow. All right, yeah, because most people, you got to have a 6-month buffer to wrap a Christmas present in July. But yeah, you got to get rid of that wait until tomorrow, I can't do it factor. Just, check, flush, delete, get rid of all that. And we've all had it. Like I said, I'm reading these laughing, going, yeah, I definitely had that. Yep, I had lazy jeans. And the one that you hear now is it's saturated. And I'm like, saturated fat, what the hell does saturated even mean? Because I hear that and it's like, oh, that means there's too many people trying to do this. There's just way too many chefs making that soup. Maybe. But all I can tell you is this. As I produce this video, we're right around 450 to 500,000 affiliates. I know in July, either mid-July or at the end of July, we'll comfortably cruise into 500,000 affiliates. I can guarantee in my own brain, and as I say it with disclaimer, that out of 500,000 affiliates, 495,000 of those will eventually, over 1 to 2 to 3 months, probably just still be affiliates, but they're going to run out of, I call, piss and vinegar. And they'll get stuck, but they won't really do anything about it because they're going to put on the damn lazy jeans. And then Netflix is going to have Cobra Kai come out. And then I'll wait until tomorrow to reinvigorate my TikTok, or I'll learn how to do some Instagram. Oh, Facebook now has something going on with Twitter, I read. Okay, let me see what Facebook is debuting this week to combat Twitter. And okay, I'll do it tomorrow. A lot of people, maybe they've tried LiveGood, but if you look at statistics, I know that probably 495,000 out of 500, they're just going to lose a little bit of steam. Maybe I'm wrong, but I would almost put more than 495,000. Disclaimer, disclaimer. Is it saturated? Not the way not with my drive. I don't get stuck. If I get stuck, I'm like, God, go to the internet and just type in how to get unstuck, but not in a car. It'll show a video of someone pushing a car or calling a tow truck. This is how you get unstuck. But man, there's so much advice out there for free now. You don't have to join a Tony Robbins seminar or go to a $5,000 kumbaya in a forest on how to come up with good ideas. Just go to the internet. Go to Google. They own everything. Between Meta, Facebook, Elon Musk, Bezos, isn't there only 5 companies that own everything at this point? But you won't get stuck. Not if you don't want to. If you want to get stuck, you'll get stuck. But anyway, I don't have a list. All right, you got to lose that to make money. You got to lose that. No, I don't have a list. Now I have a list of 30,000 people, and they're completely targeted. People that are in MLM, and they're into sports. They're sports therapists. They're into training. They own health food stores. They're very targeted. I got 30,000. And every day I try to go and get a hold of a couple hundred of their Gmail addresses, and then I look at their Facebook accounts, and if they're positive and they really are into their MLM or health and fitness, and I have their Gmail because I send from Gmail. I do. It's fun for an hour or so. I do put on Netflix. I encourage people, put on some music, put on a documentary about something, maybe about the war or submarines or how money was invented, or do something, but just do something. Okay? I'm not saying, God, make it boring and scientific and look at a white wall while you're clicking and looking. Put on something in the background. Some people work better with a little bit of music in the background, a little bit of something. If it's dead quiet, it drives me crazy. With my personality, I like to have something going on. And I'm very good at focusing, going, for the next hour and a half, it's noon till 1:30. I'm going to go ahead and just focus and just make it fun. And if I have to screw up a little bit and go pee or tinkle or brush my teeth or go pick my nose, you're human. Do the best you can to stay focused. If you got an hour to kill, then kill it. Kill the lazy G's. Kill all this stuff on this little list I'm reading off of, and go ahead and be productive with LiveGood. And boy, I'll tell you what, I know you're going to start getting pre-enrolls, and you're going to start getting members. It just happens. The more you post and be yourself and be consistent, do it daily if you can. Do the best you can. You can do it. There's certain times where you can't. If you get your leg chopped off, or a giraffe is running after you and then a rhinoceros steps on your leg and someone has to cut your foot off, I get it. That happens. Crazier things have happened. I'll go out and get the mail right now and watch. An elephant will probably run me over. Then I'm going to be in the hospital. But I'll still, with my personality, I'll still be on my phone posting LiveGood. And I'll show you my leg from my elephant accident out in the parking lot. Okay. All right. I'm not computer literate. You got to get rid of that phrase. To make money, you got to lose that. Because like I said, computers now, they're easier than ever. And it's fun. You know how to play solitaire. You know how to check Facebook. You know how to Instagram. You definitely know how to use a computer. And just watch videos. Most training anyway that I provide or anyone else, it's all video. So if you're watching my video now, you're just watching it. If you don't understand, hit rewind. Hit rewind. Hit rewind. That's all you got to do. You don't have to go to college, dress up, and go to college with 18 to 25-year-olds. At my age, I know I'm 20 years older than the average college student's parent. I ain't going to college. No way. Not unless they invite me to kegger parties or something. Then I go and I'm 45 years older than everyone partying. And then I feel bad about myself and I'll go home and cry. And I'll think about the 80s when I really had fun. So I'm not going to college. No way in hell. No way. It ain't going to happen. You have to get up and go, and no way. All right. I'll be embarrassed. You got to get rid of that. If you want to make money and be successful, please don't be embarrassed. I know that your forehead might be giant like mine, or you have tired eyes, or you hate your voice, or you keep saying this, man, quit saying man. whatever, say woman. Just go, oh, woman. I can't believe it. So, but being embarrassed, obviously, if you're on Facebook talking all the time about your children or your sports or maybe what your favorite team is doing, it is different than getting into a business like this. But you can surely open up just a side account on Facebook and open up one that just pertains to this company. You can find the logo, the shirts, the hats. If you join, I have marketing material that we give you just for free. You know, if you join underneath me, we give you tons of stuff to give you ideas, logos, you know, whatever you need. Get a hold of me. I've got this down to a really good science at this point. You know, after 3 months, going on month 4 now in July, I got a pretty good indication about what you'll probably be stuck on in your head or physically. Maybe you need this or that, or I've solved this problem by getting a hold of support at LiveGood. By the time you think it, I can just go, oh, this is what they showed me. This is what they emailed me back. Here's the response. So anyway, but you guys, you can do this. You just gotta lose things in order to make things. And sometimes that's a good thing. All right? And if you lose your lazy jeans, just make sure you got boxer shorts or maybe some shorts or something. But don't quote me. Get rid of your lazy jeans and then get caught walking nude down the street going to get your mail. Because you might have a giraffe or a rhinoceros run you over. And then when the paramedics come to take you to the hospital, you're going to have no pants on. And then you're going to go, well, Corey told me to get rid of my pants. And then there's a whole other mess. Then I got explaining to do. I got some explaining to do in my videos. So, all right, you guys can do this. If you're in LiveGood already, awesome. And if you're not, joincorey.com is right below. Just click it, join, get it over with, and let's have some fun. It's summertime here in America. Might be winter over in Australia, but life's good. So joincorey.com. That's the link, and we'll see you guys next video. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.